students, today we will read about addition and subtraction of decimals. So first of all, I want to note down a sum. After that, I will try to make you understand. The sum is add 36.4, 273.06, 9.397 and 28. Here you are seeing 4 decimal numbers has been given. So to add this number, we can see or we can consider about the decimal part of the numbers. Here you can see after decimal there only one digit, only one decimal part. In second there is after point 2 decimal part, and in third there is after point 3 decimal places, and in this no decimal places. So for this you have to make or you have to convert all these numbers into like decimals. I have already tell you how will you change unlike decimals into like decimals. So once again I want to make you it into change all these numbers into like decimals. Here you can see the largest decimal place or decimal part after point is 3 digit. So in every numbers you have to make the decimal part equal. For this you can increase 2 numbers, and 2 zeros over 4. In second you will increase only 1 zero. In third it is same, and in fourth it is whole number, so you will give the point after whole numbers, and you will increase 3 zeros. Now you have to add these numbers, so you should write it in the column method. What is column method? I just showing here how you will write. So you will write first the given number. After that you will show the point here, and all numbers are whole numbers. All these numbers are before point, all these numbers are whole numbers. So whole numbers will be written below whole numbers, and decimal parts will be written below decimal parts. So here first of all you will write 3, 7 and 2 is more, so you will write beside it. And after point 0, 6, 0. In third, so the decimal point there is only one whole number, so write 9, and after point 3, 9, 7. In second you can give the point, and here is whole number, so you will write 8, 2 and zeros. You have to be careful. Below one digit there will be only one digit. If you will write in order, यानी below digits, एक डिजिट के नीचे दूसरा, दूसरे के नीचे तीसरा, इन लाइन में अगर लिखेंगे, so this method is known as the column method. If you want to make all the numbers equal in line, so you can increase 2 more zeros here, 1 more zero here and 1 more zero here. So in this way, if you will increase, their value is unchanged, but it will be easy to add u properly. So now add these numbers. 0, 0, 0, 7. So it will be 7. 0, 6, 6 and 6, 9, 15. 15 or 0, 15. Carry 5. Here you can take carry. So 4 and 1, 5. 5 or 3, 8. And after that you will give the point. After that there is no any carry. So you will add 6, 3, 9, 9, 18 or 8. 26. Carry 2. 2 and 3. 5. 5 and 7. 12. 12 or 2. 14. Carry 1. So 1, 0, 1 and 2, 3. 3 और 6 0 है. So you will write 3. In this way, it will be your answer of addition. Now I want to tell you about subtract of decimals. Subtract of decimals. You will use all the properties of addition as to make like fraction or to write in column, and after that there will be difference between two decimal numbers. So for example, I want to tell you subtract 9.36 from 12.5. Here you can see there are two decimal numbers, but their decimal parts are not equal. So you will change it into like fraction. For like fraction, you will increase here 1 0. When there is from, जब from होता है तो you should write these numbers first. From means से, यानी इस नंबर से इस नंबर को आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो you should write in column method like this, and point there is whole number 9, and after point 3 and 6. You should always write. There should not be in correct order. Every time you should be in right order in line. I have already told you to make in like decimal, so you will increase here 0. After that you will give the sign of minus. Now you can subtract 6 from 0, so you will take carry from 5 and it will be 10. So you can write 10, 10 minus 6, 4. Here left 4. You can subtract 3 from 4. So 4 minus 3, 1. Give point. It is unable, you unable to also subtract 9 from 2. So you will take carry from 1. So it will be 12. 12 minus 9, 3. In this way, you can see if there is the decimal numbers in unlike form, so first of all try to change into like form, and after that write in column, and with the help of carry if it necessary take carry and subtract it. On the behalf of these examples, I want to give you homework. So homework is here. Note down it in your copy and solve it. Exercise 3B.